Before I continue discussing the markets, please take this moment now with helping me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click subscribe, click this bell, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Next, click the thumbs up button every time you watch my videos. Okay, let's continue with the view of the markets. Hello, welcome to another video winning Wall Street's money. It's 8:40 a.m. New York time, Wednesday. Tomorrow is the United States holiday. The U.S. stock market, equity markets is closed. Friday, it's half a day. They close at 1 p.m. Yesterday, many media outlets and politicians said the markets hit an all-time high, new high yesterday. They misspoke by choice. There are individual equity indexes and individual stocks in the U.S. markets, and they all did not hit an all-time high. So I'm going to show you the equity indexes and some of the top stocks, the heavily weighted stocks in those indexes. What that means is the biggest percentage of stocks in those indexes, I'm going to show you those, and you can see for yourself which ones did and did not hit all-time high this day, this week, this month. First, we're looking at the monthly charts. These are the grids, and each one is a chart, candlestick charts of equity indexes. The first is the S&P 500, the go-to equity index that individuals and institutions look at to either match or outperform. The symbol is SPX, Sierra Papa X-ray, phonetic alphabet, Sierra Papa X-ray. This trades from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. New York time, cash indexes. So looking at the monthly chart, for the month, it hit an all-time high. The NASDAQ 100, November Delta X-ray, again, phonetic alphabet, November Delta X-ray, the NASDAQ 100 has not hit an all-time high. It's below the all-time high. The all-time high was 3 months ago. It's struggling. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, the 30 largest public traded U.S. companies, hit an all-time high this month. The Russell 2000 hit an all-time high this month. It's one of the best performing indexes the past weeks. It represents the small companies, very small. The Dow Jones Transports hit an all-time high this month. The Dow Utilities, not even, way off. It has not hit an all-time high since February of this year. It's struggling. NASDAQ 100 is the most popular equity index. It has the high-tech companies. It has filled so far to hit an all-time high since the last 3 months. The S&P 500 index is comprised of several indexes: the NASDAQ 100, the Dow Jones, the Dow Transports, the Dow Utilities, and some other stocks are inside the S&P 500. Again, this is the go-to index to use as comparison to see is outperforming your portfolio or your mutual funds. This Dow Jones is what many media outlets report daily and politicians refer to. Shame on them. They're not being transparent. Maybe they're misinformed, or they themselves are ignorant of the truth of the broad aspects of the markets. Let's go to the Faang. What is Faang? Faang and Batman are the most popular stocks of the past 4 or 5 years that have been doing the best. And they are the heavily weighted ones in the stock index, NASDAQ 100, the S&P 500. The heavily weighted one is Apple. We're looking at the monthly chart. Apple is not at the all-time high. It's been pulling back the last 3 months, struggling, making lower highs. Microsoft, also the top second largest heavily weighted stock in the indexes. Microsoft has not hit an all-time high since the last 3 months. Amazon as well, not the all-time high. Here we are now. Again, the month's not over yet, so this candle's not complete yet. Facebook, it's been 4 months since it made the all-time high. It's struggling. Google did make an all-time high this month. Tesla made an all-time high this month. November Victor Delta Alpha has not made the all-time high for 3 months. Netflix, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months since it made the all-time high. It's struggling. Bravo Alpha has not made an all-time high since the prior month and had a huge move down. So looking here, majority of these most popular stocks of the last 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years have not made an all-time high this month. Disconnect from the main equity indexes. Let's go down to a faster time frame. What does a faster time frame means? We're going to go from the monthly down to the weekly. Each one of these is a week. First, looking at the S&P 500. So it's been 3 weeks since an all-time high, but it's consolidation above a prior consolidation. It's not trending, it's an consolidation. The NASDAQ 100 all-time high was all the way back here. And look at that. The NASDAQ 100 is inside consolidation. It's not trending. Plus, it's building a smaller consolidation. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, all-time high. It broke above these two prior weeks. So broke out of this consolidation. That's good for that, for trending. The Russell 2000, one of the best performing equity indexes the past several weeks. It's trending. The momentum is to the upside. That is referred to bullish. It's outperforming the 3 most popular equity indexes. These top 3 are the most popular. The Russell 2000 is outperforming it. It broke out as consolidation, and since then it broke out to the upside. It's trending upside. The momentum is to the upside. It's bullish. The Dow Transports as well broke out as consolidation to the upside. Momentum's to the upside. Excuse me. The Dow Utilities is struggling. Broke out, back inside this consolidation. Let's go look at the Faang stocks on the weekly time frame. Look at Apple. It's inside consolidation. So each of these represents 1 week. And since it's Wednesday, it's not done yet. And also this will not represent a full week of trading. It will represent a full week come Friday. But remember, tomorrow the market's closed in half a day on Friday. But look how struggling it is. It's inside consolidation. It's not trending. Underperforming. Microsoft, inside consolidation. Amazon, inside consolidation. Again, these are weeklies. Facebook, inside consolidation. Google, back inside consolidation. Tesla, trending. Higher highs, higher lows, broke outside consolidation. November Victor Delta Alpha, inside consolidation. Smaller trading range for these past 2 weeks. That might be smart money, maybe selling. So that might be a bearish opportunity to profit on the downside. If you'd like to learn how to do that, join my Patreon. Netflix also inside consolidation, struggling. Maybe distribution further to the downside. Bravo Alpha is doing a retest, a retracement of this prior huge trading week. Yeah, I'll be very cautious of buying this. I'll be looking for a short opportunity around the midpoint or even further up. Let's go down to the even faster time frame. Intraday. What is an intraday time frame? We'll look at the hourly charts. Each candle is an hour, and we're looking at the futures market. The futures market trades from Sunday evening to Friday evening. So we're looking at, since Sunday evening, the S&P 500, the futures symbol, / Echo Sierra. Look at that. So last evening, it opened here, and we're trading lower this morning. Lower than the high of yesterday, of overnight. The NASDAQ 100 also, this was the high of overnight, and it's trending lower. So maybe this morning, we're going to open at or below the low of yesterday. Dow Jones Industrial Average also trending down. The momentum's down. And Russell 2000 also. It's already trading near the low of yesterday during primary market hours. Interesting. But it's the holiday, bullish bias. So easily these can roll back up higher, make a retest because it's a bullish bias week. Everything goes up right to the moon. Yeah, hello. Let's look at the Faang stocks on the hourly. Extended hours or regular hours. The equity market hours are 0930 to 4 p.m. New York time. Everything else is extended hours. Here we go. Apple right now. It's in a consolidation. This was yesterday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. and we're in a consolidation. Remember, it's the most heavily weighted stock index in the indexes. The moves on here have a big effect on the underlying indexes. And which indexes is it in? The Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and other indexes. And many mutual funds are heavily weighted in the Apple. Microsoft, look at this range right now, this current hour, and made a new high. Made a new high. Maybe that would gap up this morning. Amazon, also, wow, trading higher than yesterday's high. Facebook, also trading higher than yesterday's high. Google, in consolidation, but trading higher than yesterday, so maybe we gap up. Tesla, nope, just turned red. It's trading back inside the range of yesterday. People are selling like that. Yes, you could trade these right now. November Victor Delta Alpha, yep, consolidation. Extended hours you could trade if you have a broker that offers that, and if you're signed up approved. Netflix struggling. Bravo Alpha, gap down overnight and trading back above. So these are a lot of mixed signals. What does this tell me? It tells me several of these stocks may gap up this morning higher than its close yesterday and may sell off later on today. So I'm going to be considering to look for short and making profits in the morning when they gap up. And if they fail to make higher highs in the first few minutes, I'll trade on the bearish side to profit on the downside. All right, let's just leave this here so you can see the futures on the faster time frame. Oops. There we go. 15-minute time frame. Each of these is 15 minutes. Well, now you understand the broad market perspective. Many different equity indexes. The S&P 500 futures, the NASDAQ 100 futures, the Dow Jones futures, and the Russell 2000 futures. You're better informed than most of the elected lawmakers. You're better informed than many of the media. They report the news, but they don't have skin in the game. If you like this market information I've shared and want to learn more with greater detail, step-by-step training, I have a Patreon page. I share trade ideas for earning monthly income. Below in the description box, click Show More. Scroll down. This link here, click on it. Take you here to my Patreon page. Select the membership and join. Then you have access to unlock my posts.